Greetings, fellow YouTubers. This is Stan. I am Jimmy, as far as you know. And I bought me a snowblower. So it's another DIY adventure on my part. So come along. So I'm a cheapskate, and I've gone years and years and years and years and years without ever buying a snowblower that I threaten every year to buy. This year, I finally did it. Got me a Briggs and Stratton. It says powered by Briggs. I believe it is a Briggs and Stratton. Oh hell, I don't know. Let's open it up and see what we got. 190 pounds. Might be fun getting it out of the box here. And there's nuts and bolts. I might need actual tools. Alright guys, I've mentioned in other videos I'm the only guy on the internet that apparently needs instructions, so give me a second, I'm going to read these and then we'll cut back to assembly. It's going to go smoothly, I can feel it. A torque wrench. What's a torque wrench? Nah, I'm sure I don't need that. Alright, I glance at the instructions and we're ready to go. Let's see what time it is. Time me. Install 2 of the chute retainers as shown. I don't even have a chute. I bet you it's right here. There's my chute! Biodegradable parts tray. Who said Briggs and Stratton ain't green? I like to, whistle the circus music because that's what it feels like around here. Sound. I'm not gonna lie. As of right this minute, this chute seems flimsy. We'll see. Alright, we appear to be assembled. It says to check the oil. Seeing how it gave me a half quart of oil with it, I assume it needs it. Yup. What's it say? Check oil before starting. I know I haven't ran it, but it looks low. It'd probably take all this. I don't see why they would ship it with more than what you needed. Good enough to fire it up and check it. What's the next step? Well, I think I got it. The put it together instructions kind of tailed off into nowheresville. So there is oil in it. I think it's assembled. About to put gas in it. I'm gonna plug it in because it's got an electric starter. See what it does. Watch any of my other videos. I'll start a vehicle in the middle of the garage. I don't care. I'm crazy. I didn't mean that, Mom. I'm not really crazy. All this appears to be is an extension cord. I already own a few of them. We plug in here. We plug in here. Alright, we turn the key to on. Turn choke knob to choke. Cold engine prime twice. I'm going to hit it a couple more times just because there's no fuel in it. There's a key right here, apparently. I don't know where that goes though. It says turn the key to on, but it doesn't tell me where the key goes. There's the throttle. There's the fuel. Fuel is on. Now figure out where the key goes. Ah. I'm assuming that is key on. Let's see what happens. Alright, let's see how this thing works. There's not a lot of snow out there, but we did get snow. It's pretty early for getting snow around here. See how it works and then recap. I'll tell you what I think. Alright, let's go. Briggs and Stratton 1024 is the model number. I think that's what's written on there. I'm pretty giddy. I've never had one. All I've ever had was a shovel because I'm cheap. And my wife tells me that, and she told me to go buy one. She was a little more persistent about it this year. So I bought one. Not a lot of snow out there. It's just kind of... I was intending on buying one this week as it was. It just happened to snow. Surprisingly, there were actually some left. I figured they'd all be gone. You know, the bread, the milk, and the snowblowers. You got to get them when it snows, right? When we finally get a real snow, I will maybe put an update on Instagram. If you guys follow along there, I do more real-time stuff, so the jobs that are going on that turn into videos, or after videos when I do an update or something. Follow along on there, and If you guys are new to the channel here, I'd appreciate if you would subscribe, like this thing, hit the bell notification so you know every other time I'm, for lack of a better term, doing something stupid out in the shop. Most everything's going to be out here because I don't like working in the cold. I don't like working in the hot either. I don't really like working. Enough of me babbling. Thanks for following along, and we will see you guys on the next video.